So here's the unboxing of brand new Canon EOS M6 Mark II. So let's see what's inside. Here we have the battery. So it has the battery LPE17, so it's the same as is in previous model, I think. Also this same battery is in M3 and so on, so probably the same one. And let's see the camera itself. So here we have Canon EOS M6 Mark II. It has inside 34 megapixels. You have also the possibility to vary your display the same as on this previous one. And let's go through the buttons. It looks very similar to the previous model instead of this. I think this is a nice touch to have manual and autofocus control on your thumb. Yeah, you are able to rotate the bottom, so you can change your aperture from here. From the front side, this one looks similar to EOS R. On-off button, modes, and also we have here the flash. Okay, let's go through the ports. We have microphone ports and also for the cable release port. From the other side we have just HDMI and USB-C port. Oh, that's nice touch. So you can download your pictures pretty fast. Okay, and let's put the battery inside and turn it on. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, we don't need the date. And let's go to the parameters. So manual focus, one shot eye servo, face detection also with enabled eye detection. It looks really well on Canon EOS R. Okay, and okay, let's try the high-speed mode of shooting. Okay, that looks nice. It sounds like almost 10 pictures per second. Let's check the all other possibilities in high-speed continuous. I can't tell the difference. Let's go to the manual mode and see what's the maximum ISO we can set in here. From 100, 25,600, so it's quite enough. I think we can go like, probably usable will be the 1200. And let's go to the video. Probably because also for the microphone port, this will be mainly for the video streaming. So let's go. And we have 4K in 25 frames. Also we can switch it to the full HD and go to 100 frames. So you are also able to shoot some slow-mo. Okay, so that's the unboxing. I think it looks nice. and stay tuned for detailed review.